We've already talked about how to shift into third position on the bass, but now let's talk about how to use that shift to play D major scale. Put your hand into playing position and play the first 6 notes of a D major scale that you know. That's open 1-4, open 1-4 on the D and G strings, like this, pizzicato. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B. Now we've exhausted everything we have in first position, so we need to shift to third position. To do that, shift up where your first finger will be 1/2 step higher than where your fourth finger is. Relax the fingers and make sure that the shift is relaxed and the hand moves slowly. Now play a second finger. This should be a C sharp, and a fourth finger. This is a D natural. You can check if you've done the shift correctly by making sure that your fourth finger D natural matches your open D natural. Now let's do a D major scale up and down together, repeating the top D natural. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's grab our bows and play that same scale, Arco. Again, repeating the top note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Before we play a song together, let's talk about one other small shift. Find your D natural with your fourth finger on the G string, the top of the D major scale we just played. Let's match it with the open D to make sure we have that shift. When those match, shift back a 1/2 step so that your fourth finger is over top of where your second finger is now. Now play your first finger. That should be a B natural. We're going to need that shift for the song we're about to play. Let's play that song, Pizzicato first, and then Arco second. I'll count us in. This is in 3 rather than 4, so you'll only get 3 preparation beats. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now we've played the French folk song, Pizzicato, let's do it Arco. Find your bow grip, and remember your fundamentals. Relax your arm weight into the string, keep the bow tip up, and try and keep the hair as flat as possible. Let's find our D first. Match your fourth finger to the open string, and I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now we've played D major, Pizzicato, and Arco, as well as the French folk song Pizzicato and Arco, while shifting into third position.